How's it going, everybody? This is Evan from TheWhateverBros, and welcome to my video. I know it's been quite a while since I've last uploaded. I've just been busy with college and all that jazz. Nothing super like special or like shocking, just college. But yeah, and also this is a new series I've created. It's called PUP Investigations, and if you don't know what PUP stands for, it's Potentially Unwanted Programs, and pretty much what those are is just programs that are like installed, downloaded slash installed without your consent, and some of them, like most of them, aren't super malicious, but some of them can be. And yeah, pretty much you can find them by like downloading software, and then the PUPs come like bundled or whatnot. So it's uh, that's pretty much what PUPs are, and I decided to just make a series of me just investigating them or just talking about them. And full disclaimer, I'm not telling you guys to download this. No, 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 no. Do not download this. Uh, I'm not making a review per se. It's a investigation. So you just been warned. Don't download this. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's get started. Uh, so yeah, this is TotalAV. I've seen this around a lot. I use an ad block, but usually when I do my research, I do my research in my virtual machine, and I don't have ad block installed. And I've seen a lot of ads, so I decided why not take a look at this. So it's before one more thing, I want to go and show you a website that I use. It's called virustotal.com, and pretty much all you do is you upload a file, and it'll scan with a bunch. It says 69 to be exact of virus engines, and that's pretty much how you can figure out if the application is safe or not. And it's only seen by 6, which is a bit odd, but it's seen by Malwarebytes, and Malwarebytes is pretty trustworthy. But yeah, let's go and take a look at the website real quick. It says a full security suite to protected your digital life. Our antivirus engine is trusted by millions of people across the globe, with daily virus definition updates, real-time antivirus protection, and outstanding virus rate. You can rest assured your digital security is in good hands, and no period. So let's go and take a look at the yep. So right here, they don't have JavaScript or anything that tells you the actual count of downloads. They just put 10 million users into a header, or sorry, into a heading tag. So yeah, it's fake, obviously. And pretty much it says that it has like anti-malware and anti-ransomware and all of that jazz. Says it's lightning free antivirus, and it has optimization software as well, and it's for Windows, Apple Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android devices, and also has some security enhancements. And they also have a VPN as well, and if you want me to go and take a look at that, then I guess I will. It's just a VPN, though. It's a free VPN. The thing is that if the product is free, you're the product. So I don't trust them with my internet stuff. So let's go and take a look at the program. I already have it installed, just so I don't have to go and wait for it to install. So I'm gonna go and run a smart scan, and I'll be back once it's done scanning. Alright guys, so it's done scanning. It's found no malware. I don't have any samples on this virtual machine, so it makes sense. But it's found tracking cookies and that stuff. It's found one auto run program. Wonder what. Doesn't tell me. And oh, get protected. And it's going to force me to pay 100 euros. Are you kidding me? For an antivirus? Seriously? Wow, okay. But it's only 20 euros. Ah, screw that. So, what's that auto run? OneDrive? Unidentified publisher? It's by Microsoft. Security recommendations. On a data breach. Oh, it's found lots of oh no history and tracking cookies. Clear. Ah, it's actually gonna go and clear the tracking cookies. Wow. Oh, no, maybe not. Oh, okay. So it did clear the tracking cookies. Okay. So it looks like it is gonna go and clear all the stuff, but I don't trust it, especially when it's just popping up all over the damn place about buying this. I'm not buying this. Oh, okay. So yeah, let's go and take a look at some other stuff. Yeah, it has like junk cleaner, application uninstaller, password vault. I don't trust them with that. Settings and just all that jazz. Oh, it does have VPN. I don't know, but yeah, does it work? Does it work? I guess, but I just don't trust it. I don't trust this. So yeah, that's pretty much it of the TotalAV. It's I think it works, but I don't trust it. So how would you uninstall it? Just very simple. If you're on Windows 10, you just go to settings. Windows 7, you would go to control panel and then uninstall programs. For Windows 10, you go down to apps, go to settings to apps, and then you have to wait for this to load all the apps. Then you go all the way down here, click on that, click install, or sorry, uninstall, and then click yes, and give it a few seconds. I'm running on a virtual machine, so it's slow. And click uninstall, voila. And it's going to do its stuff. So, yeah. That's pretty much it of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you later.